Okay, so if you got a Dyson that's too small for your area, it winds up getting clogged all the time. Just too small for this area, and very easy to go past the fill line, which is right here. Maximum amount is where you need to empty it when it's only that full.
Welcome back to Kung Fu Maintenance, where I show you how to make the most likely repairs you'll need to make in your lifetime. If you'd like to get the latest videos, subscribe and then hit the little bell icon right at the subscribe button, and it'll notify you of any new videos when they're released for you.
Okay, so if you got a Dyson that's too small for your area, it winds up getting clogged all the time. Just too small for this area, and very easy to go past the fill line, which is right here. Maximum amount is where you need to empty it when it's only that full. It's crazy, but anyway, just not size. But I wanted to show about the fastest way to unclog a clogged one, which is right here, is on the where the head connects. A lot of times you can just pop the head right off.
The head off, what we're doing is pushing this release button right here, pulling it this way, and that allows you to pull the
Make
head.
a storyteller out of me. The other way is to pop these up. Remove this lid here. Don't force anything, just nice and easy, and that's where the clog is right there. Right at the front here. Some stuff clogged there, but yep, that's it right there. So now we push this back down. Don't force anything again. Just nice and easy with these. They're not the strongest things in the world. Just loops in right there. And there we go. I was going to show you taking the head off, but it seemed like it was easier just to get that plate. But that should restore our suction power now. Just plug this in somewhere. Plug straight ahead. And verify that we've restored the power. Sometimes you do need to go deeper, but that's about the most common spot. There we go. Suction is back in the mix. But in order to prevent this from happening, you really need to empty it every time it gets up to that max line mark. That's just a quick unclog for a Dyson. So I wound up showing you both ways on this one in different screenshots there, and you just want to give it a few little taps once you reset the head to make sure it's not going to come off on you. Both methods work really good. You just want to make sure that you empty it more often to prevent it from happening in the future. A quick search of my YouTube channel, you should find a bunch of different videos that'll be helpful to your maintenance needs. Also, there's links in the description below the videos to tools and parts used in the videos.